Standing a bicycle wheel up vertically, that is not rotating, will result in the bicycle wheel falling over. If the same wheel is rotated sufficiently, it becomes a gyroscope and maintains its axis in space. This property, known as rigidity, can be used to measure angular accelerations. A traditional gyroscope is any rotating mass. While the mass is rotating sufficiently, it will maintain its axis in space. Should the mass stop rotating, it will fall over. Of course, drones don't have spinning bicycle wheels in it. A material can be caused to vibrate by an electric current. This is the same way a quartz watch keeps the time. A vibrating mass acts as a gyroscope, maintaining its axis in space. When the aircraft rotates, the gyroscope attempts to maintain its axis in space. This resistance to rotation, known as Coriolis force, allows us to measure the angular accelerations of the aircraft.